It's not a siren or a scream, not a headline, not a scene. It don't crash in like a wave. It shows up and stays. It's coffee cooling on the sink. I pause before I overthink. It's knowing when to let things lie and not needing a reason why. I don't call it strength out loud, but it's here. I know it now. This is what surviving sounds like. A steady breath, a quieter night. No applause when I get it right. Just showing up, still alive. It ain't pretty, it ain't loud. It don't ask to be proud. It's the truth under the fight. This is what surviving sounds like. It's choosing rest instead of rage. It's leaving words off the page. It's trusting calm more than fear, letting tomorrow draw near. It's not forgetting what it took, just not living in that book. It's learning how to laugh again without checking where it ends. I don't measure how far I came, I just don't live in the flame. This is what surviving sounds like. A steady breath, a quieter night. No applause when I get it right. Just showing up, still alive. It ain't pretty, it ain't loud. It don't ask to be proud. It's the truth under the fight. This is what surviving sounds like. If you're waiting on a sign that you made it through the worst, listen close, it's not the noise, it's the calm that doesn't hurt. This is what surviving sounds like. Not healed but holding tight. Still feeling, still choosing light. Still standing in my life. No banner, no rewrite. Just waking up and trying. That's the sound I recognize. This is what surviving sounds like. If you're still here, that's the sound